5 small home organization tricks to maximize space. 1. The placement of draperies. For you who could not let yourself away from draperies, you need to make sure that you place it correctly if you want to maximize the space in your apartment. Put the hands down if you want to make the ceiling look higher. For a hint, you need to place it about 2 inches below the crown molding. You also need to extend the rod for at least 4 inches on the window's side. 2. The space management to store cups. Many people might not think that a simple stuff like cups actually can give the potential of having wider space of small apartment. In a single shelf, most people will only fit 2 rows of cups. Now, you can make a difference by placing a wire shelf, hook, or even both to make more space. By performing this action, you will get more space to store many other things in the shelf. 3. Choose retro appliances. Why should you choose retro appliances in maximizing the apartment space? The reason is, because almost all retro appliances have smaller footprint compared to the modern appliances. On the other hand, retro appliances also work well in adding a decorative look for any rooms. Various pop of colors will decorate your apartment. Moreover, retro style has strong look which will draw any people's attention. Eventually, it will make them more comfortable to stay there. 4. The way you should store your shirts. No matter how tired you are, you should not let your shirts hanging here and there in your small apartment. It is the top reason of why your apartment will look more stuffy and smaller. You can get more space by folding your shirts in the right way. For a trick, fold it vertically in your drawers. It will make you easier in finding it when you want to use your shirt also. 5. Let's stop hoping for a big sofa. For many people, having a big sofa is just the same as adding more comfort in an apartment. However, you should not let yourself being so selfish to keep placing it while your apartment is not so big. Big sofa will eat up much area. For a replacement, you can take a settee. Believe us that changing sofa with settee will give you surprisingly wider space in your apartment.